Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Your voice is more than just sound. It's your digital fingerprint in 2025. True audibility in our deeply interconnected world has fundamentally changed from what it once was. Simply speaking louder will no longer guarantee you are genuinely heard by your audience. It's truly about presence, clarity, and making a real connection with others. This new paradigm requires a fresh, intentional approach to how we project ourselves effectively across all platforms. Raw volume no longer guarantees anyone will truly hear you. The old advice of just speaking up is outdated in our current digital landscape. Modern audibility now hinges entirely on your vocal resonance and how well you create an authentic emotional connection with your listeners. People are listening for authenticity, not just the simple decibel level of your speech. We must cultivate a voice that genuinely cuts through the noise, rather than adding to it. Mastering the 3 essential pillars of digital voice ensures you truly cut through today's overwhelming noise. These crucial pillars are simple yet powerful: unwavering clarity, undeniable authenticity, and smart platform optimization. Neglecting any one of these pillars dramatically reduces your overall impact and reach online. Your voice needs to be understood, trusted, and precisely tailored for where it will be heard. Optimize your sound environment and speaking style, always prioritizing digital platforms first. This means investing in a quality microphone that captures your nuances and ensuring you have a quiet recording space. Practice precise articulation, focusing on clear diction, and cultivate a conversational, yet engaging, cadence. Your voice deserves to be presented at its absolute best, without any distractions hindering its impact. Your unique voice is truly your most valuable asset in the relentless attention economy of 2025. Cultivate it with consistent, intentional vocal projection and an undeniable presence. Remember to adapt continually to evolving digital spaces, always maintaining your crucial audible advantage. This isn't just about being heard today, it's about building a lasting audible legacy for tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.